Hello aliens, in this video we are going to solve the Leetcode challenge problem, day 1 video, which is the first bad version. So basically, if you read the question, I have provided the link in the description and you can check out there. I will not read the problem. And the simple explanation is that it is just a variant of upper bound and lower bound problem, and you can simply do a binary search to find the first bad version. And so we can follow the simple standard implementation of binary search to solve it. And then this is the binary search problem, and each time when you, so let's see the code here. Each time when you check if the middle value is the bad version between 0 to n, and then you keep updating the low and high values, and when you exit, check if the middle value is the bad version and return it. If not returned, so you have to return the high value. And I have created a nice little diagram over here so that you can understand better. So I've created this array 1 2 3 4 5. So we have answer will be 3. So because the first value, which is when you run this program, you can see that the first value where this program where the bad value exists is that 3 at 3 index. So the result will be 3. So you will return 3. So let's submit that. So it is end this video here, and I'll be solving the week 2, week 3, week 4 and week 5 problems also. So please subscribe to the channel so that you can get the video when I upload that.